Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. Your account has been temporarily locked. To know how to fix Instagram, your account has been temporarily locked. You should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will click apps. And when you will see this page, you will click here in this list. You will find the application of Instagram. After that, in this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off. You can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.